artists, but we should have much more people from out of the music industry putting themselves on this location today. I'm saying we're not a unity. We're the unity.
Unity, man, a high.
Corruption, you know?
No, we're going.
We're not going to stick it up.
I don't see 5 artists. Anytime we meet Fantan, but they represent CM because we know life going.
Man, I did Fantan Moja way, brother. Imagine, brother, everybody in the music in fraternity, brother. And not even 5 artists could have Fantan Moja funeral, brother. Me no love how the man them live in a music thing, brother. I be a crab in a barrel thing, brother. Yo, me begs about the situation, brother. You get me, I say? The whole of the man if you unite and live good, brother. And live as one, brother. It's a shame to Fantan Moja funeral, brother. Not even 5 artists good, brother. And look how much thing Fantan Moja do for someone in a dance, bro. Come on, on the show free, brother. Fantan Moja is a hungry artist when things are keeping pull up and he no charge $1 and fight every show in a every district, in a every lane and do it free. When enough artists are defend money, brother. Brother, me cut up about the situation, brother. We not be treat the artists, brother. But God, we not go like we not go.
Over and Vice Cartel get Sunfest for day, yeah. Over 20 odd years they no link up and them have beef and I kill a son them. And then go up on Sunfest and they not say nothing. They not even say, big up yourself, Rodney Price. But after they leave, you see what the government do? You no can't go around killer. You no can't go around killer. You no can't go around bounty killer. No matter how you get richer than him, and you go a bounty. The government recognize and build road and name road in our name.
Rodney Price, you know, aka Bounty Killer, you know, big up yourself in a general. Because I have to show my respect yesterday and make sure I push out from out of Spanish Town and come over see you again at the ceremony for your key for the city and the new name of the road from Wrenchman Road to Rodney Price Drive. Me have to be a part of history. And me I tell everybody who watch a video, especially in people in the music industry. All of you were never dead and could have dead it and could have made the effort for dead it, you no disappoint. You no disappoint dancehall. You no disappoint reggae music and dancehall music. Because there's no way Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer, I get such a big achievement, a big award. Key for Kingston City and the renaming of a road in our community in a Rodney Price Drive and no show respect. Enough people get them things when them dead. And the man get it when them alive. That's why I'm the half left Spanish Town go over there and all the owner in the industry and all the owner industry players will make an effort and show up a Rodney ceremony yesterday in a Seaview Gardens. I see the cutting of the ribbon and all them something there. Me I tell you no, don't love music and what Rodney has achieved because that moment is historical. Enough people get them things when them dead. I mean, they expect to see more people from in the music industry. Me not lie, but me not take a Rodney shine, me not take a Mr. Price shine because it's well deserved. Congratulations again. But me show you, when you're dead, all of them people I want to run come a funeral put on pretty close. But when you're alive and I get great achievement, them don't want to push out the effort. I just that more say. But Rodney Price, big up yourself. One heart I love. The ceremony was good. Big up every artist when I see. The selector them when I see. But me I expect more I know. I just that me have to say. One heart I love, you know.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
What a go on my viewers and subscribers. Yo, my people. You know say, me a jump in at this right away. My name a go stay too long for jumping at it. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, my people. Me there. Guys, me really and truly want to talk about the music industry. Yeah? I want to talk about the music industry because, to tell you the truth, guys, me think the music industry right now is a mess. Yeah, man. Me think it's a mess. Yeah? And the reason why me think it's a mess is me believe to myself that the music industry right now is in trouble, is in problem. And why me I say that is, me see some things are going on in the music industry where, to myself, is just a joke. By the way, guys, hear what I want you do. I want you listen to General B. Listen to General B. Listen.
artists, but it's not have much more people out of the music industry within themselves on this location today. And I'm saying we're not a unity. We're the unity.
Unity, man, a high.
Yeah, corruption, you know?
No, we are going.
We're not going to stick it up.
I don't see 5 artists. Anytime I meet Fantan, I'm there, I represent CM, because we know life boy.
So you know all here what General B say. General B said no unity, no inna the thing no more. No unity, no inna the thing no more. Why General B said that? General B said that because General B there Fantan Mojah burial. And the man them said they not even say 5. Them not even say 5 entertainer. A Fantan Mojah funeral. Why is that? Why is that at Fantan Mojah funeral you not even say a whole heap of artists? Why is that? And to be honest with you, somebody said something like them now go sick. I think General B said too. But guys, when you sit down and look on it, and me I'll be honest, you know, me I'll be very, very honest. When you sit down and you look on it, Fantan Mojah was named by Capleton. Yeah, the name where Fantan Mojah get. A Capleton give Fantan Mojah that name. But guys, my thing is, me never did even see Capleton at the funeral. Fantan Mojah wear up him turban and thing. And me see some bandsman at the funeral. But me not see no enough Rastafarian. Me not see no entertainer. Me not see many people at the funeral. Me know say you have people who have bad vibes. Me and you no agree, me and you no get along. But here we go on. Me in I music industry. Fantan Mojah wasn't just a underground artist. Fantan Mojah sing some of the baddest and the biggest songs in a Jamaica. And you tell me, say, Fantan Mojah dead in funeral and you know, see a whole heap of artists at the funeral. I show them love. Me say, General B, twins and twins. And no more. Not in 5. Not in 5, man. Not there. Now let me say this. I'm going to go move over to something. I see Bounty Killer. Because Bounty Killer never did my funeral neither. I see Bounty Killer have a name. The road, the street, name after him. And Nichikochi, who Nichikochi and Bounty Killer have them ups and down. But Nichikochi was there. Nichikochi was there. And them have them up and down. But he was there to sing a song and talk from him heart towards Bounty Killer, a person who helped put him out there. What are going on in the music industry? Vybz Kartel and Movado was on some fest. And them never even say A, B, or C. Rodney Price. Yeah. No love no in our business. The love gone out of the music business. Conrad Crystal. I know if I know when me use the name there, I know if I know, I go say, oh, what? Conrad Crystal dead. Conrad Crystal, one of a very good artist, a very good singer. Many of you, me understand, wouldn't know Conrad Crystal still, because Conrad Crystal was a singer in the 80s, 90s, early 90s. So many of you would not know Conrad Crystal. But Conrad Crystal was a very good singer. Conrad Crystal passed away. I mean, hear nobody I talk about Conrad Crystal pass away. Me no see no music people I say nothing about Conrad Crystal. So what go on in the music industry? The music industry, all in the music industry. Them a fight. Them a fight with no love in them heart. Yeah, all in the music industry is fight. Now, let's move over to something else. There is a big issue going out there on the social media about Massacre and Vybz Kartel. Now, guys, listen this good enough. Listen this good. It is said that Massacre cannot full up the Barclay because Vybz Kartel full up the Barclay and Vybz Kartel are the man. Now, Massacre go in at the Barclay and full it up. Now, what is the motive? Now that's he went in, fill up Barclay, comes out, and top. Guys, let me say this to each and every one of you. The music industry helps a lot of people. It helps a lot of people. It brings down a lot of people. It do a lot for a lot of people. Now, the music industry, any industry you have, any industry you go have misunderstanding, dislike, people not go like you, people not go care about you. In every industry you go have that. But are you saying to me that the whole industry is that bad that nobody is seeing eye to eye? Come on, are you telling me that the music industry is that bad that nobody is seeing eye to eye or saying eye to eye or at least even have any understanding about each other and care about each other? The music industry is a mess. The music industry is who know who have who for friend, and who have more money for pay off. Imagine you're in an industry and you have a song and the song good, but you give the song to somebody to play and that song never play because that individual know that you and Jonathan don't get along and them and Jonathan are friends. So in other words, your music go up on a backboard, then black it. It won't play no more. Just like what them did to Cargo. Look at Cargo. Look at Cargo as an artist. Cargo is not just a artist who not good. Cargo is very good. You all hear Cargo songs on the radio. And that's where the music business is. today. Very sad situation. Very, very sad. Shouldn't have been like that. Yeah, the music business shouldn't be like that. Look at Carl Dawkins. Carl Dawkins was downtown where the homeless was getting food from Color Smith TV. Carl Dawkins, who sing one of the smoothest song you can ever find. Who sing some of the smoothest song you can ever find. Carl Dawkins would sing that. Every day you turn, the music fraternity, the music business, the music is just fighting each other. But we all have to remember this. No man is an island and no man stands alone. No man is an island and no man stands alone. Whenever time we feel that power that we have in us because we are alive, always remember that power can be taken away from you at some point in time. And remember, we all get sick. None of us is mortal. None of us is mortal. Look at it right now. Future Fambo. And guys, this is one of the most disgraceful part of the music business. Future Fambo do not have a new song. No. Future Fambo do not have a new song. And Future Fambo and Beenie Man is at odds. And are you telling me that for Future Fambo to come back up, being an art artist, Future Fambo have to look like a junkie, look like he have mental health problem, look like he have issues, talking bad things about Beenie Man, talking about when him and Beenie Man was friends and when he used to go over Beenie Man house and what they used to do over there and what he used to do over there and what Beenie Man allow him to do over there? Are you telling me that what it takes for Future Fambo career to come back up? Isn't that a disgrace? Isn't that a disgrace? That's how Future Fambo career come back to the forefront of reggae music. To disrespect Beenie Man, who a lot of people don't like. And that's how the fix. And that's how all these programs start to interview Future Fambo. When Future Fambo was Future Fambo all this time. But nobody would talk about Future Fambo until when Future Fambo start to disrespect Beenie Man. And that's how Future Fambo career come back up. And you hear Future Fambo hot again. Future Fambo hot again. But the reason why Future Fambo is hot again is because he's talking things about Beenie Man that a lot of people don't like. Make that make sense. Make that make sense, people. Your career was in a hole because of you, because of what you make of it, because of the turn that you turn to drugs and alcohol. But now you're coming back. It's a big boom because of disrespecting another artist. And the thing is, and the bad thing, guys, the bad thing about it, everywhere Future Famba go, he can only sing one song. Because only one song really push him up there. And guess what? It's the same song with Beenie Man. Are you seeing what's going on here? The same song that Future Famba, the same and the only song that Future can sing. That's the only song Future Famba can go out there with that people is going to. It's not like it's the only song him having. But that's the only song him can use to hit the place, to run the place, to do anything. The song with Beenie Man. The same song, the same man, the same person. That him and everybody are beat down. Do you see how stupid it can be? Huh? Do you see how stupid it really can be, guys? Those houses, they are boat houses. So I'm really like on the lake with some boat house. So there's a lot of them over there. A whole heap of them over there, boat house. But guys, have you really sit down and really take a good look at this whole thing? Future Famba is hot again because of things that he's saying about Beenie Man. But every time he go on a stage, he only sing one song and have to come off because he's drunk. But yet still, nobody is saying congratulations to Beenie Man, because if it wasn't for Beenie Man, Future Famba would not be hot again. What an industry. What an industry. If it wasn't for Beenie Man, Future Famba would not be hot again. And then you have all these places and peoples. You have all these places and peoples hyping up Future Famba. Yeah, hyping up Future Famba because Future Famba is disrespecting Beenie Man for his comeback. The music industry is a mess. The music industry is a mess. And then you turn on the social media and you listen to people in social media that cannot sing. Hold on. You have people in social media who cannot sing, cannot play an instrument, telling you about a person's career, what they think should happen to a person's career, how a person this, how a person that. Have you ever listened to some of those people? I listen a lot. I listen to them a lot. Big up Dancehall War. Yeah, man. Dancehall War. I love your program. Yeah. I come on a couple times and, you know, I need to come back on there because when time I come on there, I go say what I have say. I don't care who cuss me, yes or no. But guys, these are things that I believe people should sit down and look into. The music industry is a mess. The music industry is a mess because of social media and because of how people is operating. Also, the music industry get more light on it because of social media. So social media is good for the music industry, and social media is also bad for the music industry and how it gravitates towards each other. Because right now, Future Fambo is at just because of social media and because of what people think and how people think about each other. A lot of people don't like Beenie Man, so because Future Fambo is making videos talking about Beenie Man, he's now big. But nobody is trying to really and truly help Future Fambo, because the Future Fambo that I saw the other day, going up on stage with his pants almost down on his knee, and him drawers a show. And he went up on stage. He need help. He needs help. He was intoxicated. He was drunk. Very drunk. My viewers and subscribers, that was just me talking my truth about the music industry, yeah? I believe the music industry should be better. I believe that the music industry needs more unity. I believe the music industry helps a lot of people. And I believe the music industry, people need to work together. Not everybody goes see eye to eye, but at the end of the day, at least love, care about each other. Yes, you can make hype at another person. Yeah, you can make hype at another person. However, not because you may not like an individual. Like, let's say you don't like Massacre. You go beat down Massacre because you like Vybz Kartel. Also remember, guys, people say that Alkaline could not fool Barkley by himself, and he did it. We sit down and, no we, because not me, you know, mixing a certain kind of stupidness. You all sit down and king up Vybz Kartel with what? What's the base of crowning Vybz Kartel was? What was the base? If you sit down and look at it, what was the real base of crowning Vybz Kartel? We're not going to go another one there. Because I'm going another one there, you're not going to pretty. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, we go left it right there, sir. Until the next video, we go talk. Yeah, man.